So I still, when I look back, I just cannot imagine that it's already been more than a decade that we've been together. And I think I just knew it from the start that he's the one that, you know, we're gonna end up together.
I really, really love you, Nia. You're the most amazing person. सबसे धाकड़ बंदी मिली है मेरे को. और it has to be the best life possible ahead, and I'm sure it's going to be a fun-filled journey, and we'll have a blast together. Thank you.
I am just too excited for this day, and I'm just too excited for our life to start as a husband and wife together, and we are able to make many more different memories and experiences in life. So I'm just really happy.
आजा सब फ्रेंड्स So first of all, it's a love marriage between me and Nia. Nia and I have been in love since 12 years. This journey has been amazing. She's the most loveliest person that I've ever seen, ever met, and I'm getting the fortune of, spending the life with her. It's the best time that I will ever get.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
I need my particular side of the bed. So he already knows this, and I think there are when you live together, life is completely different, and people are completely. You get to see new sides of people. So warning, be ready to see a different Nia.
Is this all it's gonna be? Gold dust shimmers on my feet. They lay me down in the sky turn pink. And is this all it's gonna be? Gold dust shimmers on my feet. And they lay me down in the sky turn pink. Ay, ay. उम्र में सारियां जी लियां, रोशनी में सारियां पी लियां, रंगां दी कहानियां चख चख के मैं ते उंगलियां चट गईयां। करता है रब का अंधेरा, तुम दबा के वो तो भागेगा जब आएगा सवेरा। आसमान में सुराख तू बना दे, उस पर ही तो है ना दिन का बसेरा।
Thank you so much, Nia, for accepting me as your groom. I will keep good care of you, and I will always, always, always love you. You're the most amazing person, most beautiful person, and I love you a lot. Thank you.
चाही बड़ा जो तू सामने खड़ा आज दिन खुशियां दा आया, लाल बिंदी लाई हथी पाया चूड़ा, कहंदा पिया लहंगा तू भी जचदा पिया। मैं हो गई तेरी वे, तू मेरा हो गया रांझिया, रांझिया बन गई हीर तेरी रांझिया, बन गई हीर तेरी रांझिया, हो गई अज तो मैं तेरी रांझिया। इश्क खुदाया नजरी मैनू आया तेरे मुखड़े तो, पाक मोहब्बता पाइए वे सजना, मंगदी दुआवां रब तो, मंगदी दुआवां रब तो। इश्क खुदाया नजरी मैनू आया मुखड़े तो, पाक मोहब्बता पाइए वे सजना, मंगदी दुआवां रब तो, मंगदी दुआवां रब तो। तेरे बिना वजूद की मेरा, वजूद की मेरा मेरे यारा, रह हसदा बस रह वसदा, बन गया तू मेरा साया, तू तकदीर मेरी रांझिया, तू तकदीर मेरी रांझिया, अज तो हीर तेरी रांझिया, हो गई अज तो मैं तेरी रांझिया।